So in regards to Mevotech Supreme products, one line of products we definitely want to point out, especially with this particular Jeep, is the Gen 3 wheel bearings that have the integrated ABS sensor attached to the wheel bearing. The difference between Mevotech Supreme bearings and the ABS sensor is it butts up right against the sensor. There's a lot of manufacturers out there that save on material and leave a little bit of exposed wiring from the sensor to the hub. Mevotech does not do that. They take pride in that. That is a fault point that our engineers have discovered, and we have coating right up into the hub. Now, in speaking with Austin, you know, the hub bearings down there, you guys don't go through a whole lot of hub bearings because of rust, but up here in Canada, with the stuff that we put on the road, we actually put our brine on the road to stop the icing up. It's more environmentally friendly. We use a lot of salt. We use a lot of sand, and I can tell you from firsthand, if you don't take care of these wheel bearings and buy wheel bearings with anti-corrosion on them, your wheel bearing within 1 to 2 seasons, winter seasons, is literally a boat anchor. Yeah. It is brutal. Mevotech Supreme come with new spindle mounting bolts and a new axle nut that also has anti-corrosion coating.
If you're working on with these cheaper parts that maybe don't come with hardware or everything's rusted together or whatnot, I mean, that's going to cost you a couple hours just trying to get the extra hardware off.
Yeah.
You know, so anytime you can prevent that in the future is a bonus for you.